So welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. um in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a powerful strategy. Okay. So one of the things that um I want us to understand is I try as much as possible to come up with simple strategy, okay, that will help us to take a trade in the market. Okay, so I believe that trading should not be complicated and complex. Okay, so the simpler it is, the better it will be to be able to take a trade in the market. Okay, and that is why I always bring this powerful strategy to help us. Okay, if you see that we actually missed our entry around 1 a.m. today, okay, because obviously it was in the early hours of the day. Okay, but we actually spotted this particular entry, but we were not able to take that entry because we are not watching the market at that particular time. Okay, but there are three things, because this strategy is like a price action, and you just want to see how the market moves so that you'll be able to take this trade for yourself. Okay, so these are things that repeat themselves every time and every day. Okay, so the only thing you just need to do is to be able to backtest this strategy first of all on your demo account. Okay, before you go live. Okay, so there are just three things we'll be looking at today. Okay, we'll be looking at the break of structure, order blocks, and then we'll be looking at divergence. Okay, so if you know these three concepts, okay, you know the break of structure, the order blocks, and then the divergence, then you should be able to take like a day trade in the market. Okay, you'll be able to hold your position. Okay, so you can see that here would have been like a sniper entry for us. Okay, but because we are not watching the market at that particular time, that was why we are not able to take that trade. Okay, so the first thing we want to talk about is the break of structure. Okay, so the break of structure is a very important concept in the market. Okay, so whether you are a beginner's trader or you are an advanced trader, or you trade with indicators, or whatever it is you trade with, you want to master the break of structure. Okay, because that is the only way you can know if market is going you know upward or downward. Okay, and if you notice on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that this particular market has been buying. Okay, remember these are crash 1000 index on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, this particular market has been buying. So for our break of structure, we want to see this particular move, okay, break a high. Okay, and you can see here that this was our most recent high. So whenever you see markets take out the most recent high here, guys, then that is all we need to know about our break of structure. Okay, to be able to use this strategy is as simple as that. Okay, now there are many highs you will get to see in the market. Okay, but the one that we are interested in is the most recent one. Okay, so you can see how market broke out from that high here. Okay, and then the second thing we want to look at for is our order block. Okay, our order block. So after identifying our break of structure, okay, our break of structure, then the next thing is to identify our order block. Guys, it's very important we identify our order blocks. Okay, so after identifying our break of structure on the 4 hour time frame, we can go to the 1 hour time frame. Now the order block I make use of, or that we might want to make use of, is a single order block, okay, like we see here. Okay, you notice that this was just a single order block. So whenever you see a break of structure here, make sure you use the most recent order block. Okay, you want to wait for price to retrace back. So what you can do is to highlight that order block. Okay, if the wick is close to the body, just like this small candle, you can decide to highlight the whole body. Okay, but if it's something like this, okay, what you want to do is you might decide to highlight just from the body here. Okay, you might just decide to highlight just the body here, and that will be all. But if you have a small order block like this, then you might want to highlight the whole order block, because most times price might not get to the body here. Okay, like in this case, you can see that if we are just mark only the body here, you can see that price never came back to the body. So that is why I advise that you make use of the body and the wick. Okay, so you can decide to highlight both the body here and the wick. Okay guys, so you can see how I did it. Now that is for the break order block. Okay, remember, after our break of structure, our BOS, then the next thing we want to identify is our OB, okay, which is our order block. So we'll be able to identify our order block now. Remember, it's the most recent and the only order block we want to make use of. Okay, we are not going to be making use of this, okay, because this was like the last order block before the break of structure. Okay, so those two things are very simple. Then the last thing we want to do is to be able to identify our divergence. Okay, and the way we are going to identify our divergence is to be able to make use of our RSI indicator. Okay, so what we want to see is, remember, if the market is showing a high here, it means that our RSI here, we have to show a high. Okay, if our market is showing a lower high here, it therefore means that the RSI here will show a lower high. Okay, but in the case where the opposite is the reverse, for instance, you have a low here, okay, and then on our RSI we also have a low here. Okay, but on our market here we have a lower low here, but on our RSI we have a higher low. It means that a divergence has occurred, because while here is a low and a lower low, on our RSI we have a low and a higher low here. Okay, remember, this is our higher low, so it means that the RSI is actually shifting, or if we want to call it diverting, away from the main market. Okay, so once we see this, guys, then it is at this point that this is like a powerful strategy, guys, that you can adopt to trade the market. So we've talked about the break of structure, which is the first thing we'll look out for, our order block, which is the second thing, and then our divergence. Okay, so as a bonus, after identifying these three things, before you can take your sniper entry, you can go to the 30 minutes time frame and wait for this candle to form. Okay, so once this candle form, guys, then you can enter at the opening of this next candle. Okay, you enter here, and then you can put your first take profit here at this high here, and then your stop loss will be here. Okay, and then if you are entering for multiple positions, then your second take profits will be here, guys. So guys, I believe you've been able to learn how to make use of this powerful strategy. Okay, so if you have any challenge, you can do it to go over this video again. And if you are having difficulty trading the market, you can click on the link on my bio, okay, to reach me on my WhatsApp DM, so that I can hold a personal training with you for free. And if you've not yet liked this video, please kindly do so now, okay. And also do it to share this strategy, this video, so that other traders can get access to it, okay. And if this video actually makes sense to you, kindly leave a comment in the comment description of this video, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Cheers, and I'll see you in my next training video.